So how do you know it's hers? Are you Patricia Johnson? Miss Johnson.
Right out of the gate, this is where things get serious. The court is laying out the charges, but here's the key issue: possession. It's not just about ownership, it's about control. So let me ask you, should just being near something illegal be enough to get you charged?
You're charged with possession of marijuana. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer, the lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am. Okay.
On July 13th, 2024, officers received credible information from a concerned citizen that the co-defendant, a currently wanted person in Harris County, Texas for felony family assault, was inside a residence located at 710 West Bluff Drive in the garage portion of the residence. After opening the garage of the residence, officers observed the defendant lying in bed next to the defendant. As officers began to call the defendant and co-defendant out of the garage, officers observed several items of drug paraphernalia, such as used glass pipes and a white powdery substance wrapped in a clear plastic bag. Through further investigation, deputies observed 1.5 grams of marijuana.
Now, this is where the case starts falling apart. No one is claiming ownership, and the drugs are just there. Prosecutors rely on constructive possession, but proximity alone isn't always enough. What do you think? Does being in the same room automatically make you guilty?
Located underneath the white powdery substance, and at the time of the incident, it was unclear what the substance was, but neither the defendant or co-defendant claimed ownership of the substance that had an approximate weight of 2 grams.
So how do you know it's hers? She's just at the house, right?
Right, Your Honor.
Is it her house?
It's unclear whose house it was. It's
Patricia Johnson. Ms. Johnson, just take a seat for me in the jury box. I'll be back with you here momentarily. I need to do a deeper dive on your case. You can get your stuff. So Williams is upstairs though, right? Ma'am, take a seat for me at the jury box.
It's in court 3.
Oh, that's, so he got a weak case too. Pavel, let's talk about Ms. Johnson, if you don't mind. So,
You don't have a judge on the PC?
I mean, you're welcome to stay there. You don't have to get up, but, so what we have here, I mean, are you ready? Did you read it?
Yes.
So we have a lady who's in a house, I guess just in bed with someone who's got felony warrants.
In the garage, but yes.
In the garage.
Yeah, and they're both laying together and the drugs were found right by both of them. Neither of them took ownership, so we charged both of them because they both have care, custody, and control of the drugs without any ownership. Everyone gets charged in those kind of circumstances.
Whose house is it?
So I would need to do some follow-up as to whose house it is, but I know they were in the garage of this house.
I mean, if it's her house, it's one thing, but
I guess from what I understand, the defendant articulated as the co-defendant's moms, but I don't have any way of checking that right now.
say that again? So she says it's the mom's?
It's the co-defendant's mom's house, and they're in the garage.
Oh, the house. It's her house.
It's their house.
Because I mean, that's like me going to your house, right? And I'm sleeping on your couch, and just there's a little weed over there. I'm just a guest, and cops bust in. They try to charge me with the weed. What?
I guess the argument is because they're in close proximity, since it's right by the bed, they both have care, custody, and control of it.
Yeah, I'm not.
That's the definition of it, so.
Yeah, but I don't. if she had claimed ownership if it's her house,
Wow, this is a huge turning point. The judge rejects the guilt by proximity argument. No ownership, not her house, and no solid control, so probable cause fails. Big lesson here. Even if you're innocent, the people around you can still get you in trouble. Was the judge right? Comment below.
there's something
Yeah,
a
but
little bit
if they-
more.
Require them to claim ownership for purposes of.
I don't know, I'm not saying that you
BCI.
have to, but I'm just saying, I just don't think it's enough. I mean, imagine I go to your house and it's the same thing, you know? So I'm crashing on your couch, just hanging out. I didn't know.
Oh, yeah, okay, so we did confirm the home belongs to both parents of the co-defendant. They're both listed as the owner of the house.
So the house belongs to,
The co-defendant's parents.
okay, I'm gonna find no PC for her.
Yes, sir.
Since I don't have jurisdiction over you, the state may well, in fact, indict this case at a later date. If that happens, a warrant will issue, but I'm gonna find no probable cause in this case now. Just be careful who you spend time with and who you hang out with. You get my drift? All right, man, good luck. You're free to go.